So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see guys, Bitcoin has managed to close the weekly candle above 21-week EMA, has managed to close the candle above 50 weighted moving average, which in the past price action has resulted in a very bullish move. Yes, you heard that correctly guys, closing the weekly above this moving averages in the past price action has resulted in a very bullish move. So we want to find out whether this bullish continuation is going to repeat or not, because if you look at this price action in a different time frame using different scenarios, yes, we are being flashed with some very interesting moves. So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then I suggest you guys to check the video description. Now first thing first, let's look at this 21-week EMA and 50-week moving average, because in the past price action we have found out whenever we have seen this green line 21-week EMA crossing over 50-week moving average, it has resulted in a very bullish move. Each and every time whenever we have seen this 21-week EMA crossing over 50-week moving average, it has resulted in a very bullish move. And in our case, since this is also a bullish crossover 21-week EMA crossing over 50-week moving average, we are expecting this bullish trend to continue. But in the past price action, we found out when the price of Bitcoin lost the support, when the price of Bitcoin during this uptrend lost the support from this 21-week EMA, we got attracted towards this 50-week moving average, resulting in a bullish move, a relief rally, but failed to find support at this 21-week EMA, resulting in an actual bearish continuation. If you look at this here, we failed to find support at this 21-week EMA during uptrend, got attracted towards this 50-week moving average, and when we had a relief rally just like from this past price action, what happened? The price of Bitcoin flipped this 21-week EMA into support, resulting in a new all-time high. And if we look in our case, we lost the support from this 21-week EMA, got attracted towards this 50-week moving average, and now it is also resulting in a relief rally. So if this here is an actual support, price is going to remain above this 21-week EMA, which is around 60,700, right? Then we are expecting this bullish trend to continue. Even though we are clearly above this 21-week EMA, I still want you guys to be a little bit careful and monitor this weekly candle for better confirmation. If the next week candle also starts above this 21-week EMA, then there is a very high probability of price starting with a new impulsive move, because parallelly we have also managed to close the weekly candle above this 50 weighted moving average, because in the past price action finding support over 50 weighted moving average has resulted in a very bullish move. So same thing could be unfolding here as well. Price remaining above 21-week EMA, price remaining above 50 weighted moving average could be a preparation for another continuation like this around 67,000 in the medium short term, and then even to form a new all-time high. Because if we look at this formation here in a weekly time frame, it is a bullish formation, descending broadening wedge with price objective. If you look at the price objective from this descending broadening wedge, it is going to be around 86,000. So you can see new all-time high is imminent if the price in a weekly candle manages to remain above this 50 weighted moving average. But what is stopping us? What is stopping us in the medium short term, in the smaller time frame? This POC line around 64,000. Yes guys, this horizontal trend line, this POC line is acting as a resistance, because this same trend line resulted in a fake out, which also resulted in price forming a double bottom type of scenario. So if we finally manage to remain over this 64,000, then I personally think it is going to be looked as a bullish continuation pattern from here on. And why? Because we are not just only breaking out from this POC line, but price could be also preparing itself for a double bottom type of formation. If you look at this formation here, the price of Bitcoin right now is getting attracted towards the neckline, which is going to be around 64,000. So flipping 64,000 into proper support means the price of Bitcoin will be starting another continuation like this, another bullish continuation like this, because in that case we will be breaking out from the neckline, from this double bottom, which could be preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside. And in that case, you can see 74,000 will be attracting us, and in that case the new all-time high could be imminent. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that as soon as this 64,000 resistance gets flipped into support in the medium short term, Bitcoin could be turning very, very bullish, because parallelly, even in a monthly time frame, you can see we are testing the resistance from this upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us. But this time it could be different. I mean, even if the price shows weakness in the medium short term, as long as we remain over 60,000, we are still expecting this bullish continuation to play out. Yes, guys, this here is another bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin in a monthly time frame of falling wedge, because we know above 60,000 we have extremely important support lining for Bitcoin. And even in a weekly time frame, if we look at this price action in a bit different way, you can see we are forming a cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle is another bullish continuation pattern, and this cup and handle price objective sits around 100,000, 120,000 in between that range. So according to this bullish continuation pattern, as soon as the price breaks out of the resistance which we have right now around 64,000, we could be breaking out from this falling channel or the handle. Because if you look at this here, you can see we are inside this handle, right? This is a formation of a handle, but as soon as this breaks out of this resistance line, you can see we will be looking this as a descending channel breakout, falling channel breakout, or even a bull flag breakout, which could be indicating a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And any sort of a pullback, any sort of a sideways movement, there is nothing to worry about. And why? Because we are aware this symmetrical triangle has already broken to the upside, which is a bullish continuation pattern, and we are also expecting a similar move to this one here. I mean, more sideways movement, right? And slowly heading here to the upside. We are not expecting a move like this, guys. We are expecting more sideways movement, price forming higher highs, higher lows, continuation pattern type of formation, and slowly heading here to the upside, because we know we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin. So any sort of a pullback, even according to this leading indicator, it could be just a temporary pullback, and price slowly could be preparing itself for another continuation. I mean, continuation towards this monthly arrow line for the month of September, which sits around 66,700. So that's why, guys, that's why once we overcome the resistance around 64,000, there is a very, very high probability of price starting with an actual bullish move. And any sort of a pullback, again, you can see this Williams alligator indicator will be there acting as a support. I mean, during uptrend, this trend line has acted as an important line of support, and each and every pullback around this Williams alligator indicator resulted in an impulsive move. So same thing could be happening here. Even if the price fakes out, or even if the price fails to break out from this falling wedge in a monthly time frame, shows another continuation around 60,000, please do not panic, because that could be just a temporary pullback, price testing the support from this Williams alligator indicator before breaking here to the upside. So that's why, guys, that's why as long as we remain over 60,000, any sort of a pullback could be just a temporary pullback, and price after that could be preparing itself for another bullish continuation to make a new all-time high. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And guys, let's try to reach at least 1,000 likes in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, if you enjoy this content, then please try that like button now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.